How to clean iMac 27 inches dirty screen. Right now I'm gonna use this one, glass cleaner, and then I will spread a little bit, and then I will use a paper towel. Let's try what's gonna happen. Okay. Some places are more dirty and dirtier than the others, like this. This is basically auto window cleaner, and if it is clean the glass, auto glass, why does not clean my iMac? I will try it. I will take the risk. If something happens, I will tell you. And you can also use those isopropyl 50, 70 or 90 and 99 cents store, and you know, and this is my phone. Okay, I will put my phone here for a while and open that. You see, this is my garage, and that is my iMac 27 screen, 27 inches screen. Doesn't work. This is gonna be my first shirt. Okay. Let's try again. I'll use more stronger power to clean it. Just have to sterilize. This would be smoothie. It's good for a little time, but clean. You don't want it to change the location. Let's see. Is it clean? Yeah, it is clean. I even see myself on black screen. Yes, this is how to clean your iMac 27 inches screen. That's good.